just started it today, and the idle still seems a little high. I smell rich exhaust. But it doesn't seem as bad as it was yesterday. But it hasn't heated up yet either. We'll watch it for a couple minutes here. It shifted up into low, but now I'm getting resistance going back to neutral or high. Shut off. It's definitely not shifting nice either, if y'all know what could be doing that. And now staying high. Well, looky here, listen to that. Running like a champ. Made an adjustment to the throttle, and how about it? Alright, so dealing with our high idle problem, somebody on the forum told me to make an adjustment to this here throttle cable. So this is like a lock, and you unscrew this, and he told me to turn 2 or 3 times clockwise on this, and I'm looking from the driver's side standing. So I turned this twice clockwise this way, and then cranked it back down. And would you believe it, but it's running damn near perfectly. Oh, it's still in gear. Whoops. There. And if you look at the lock nut there, you can kind of see where the hashes on it have been crushed. I'm assuming the shop adjusted the throttle up when they were having issues with it before, instead of taking that apart and cleaning everything out. Why, I don't know. But like we said, this shop doesn't have the greatest reputation. So as far as I'm concerned, it's running damn near 100%. So I guess now we got to look at the suspension and the transmission, because the shifter sometimes wants to go, sometimes doesn't want to go. And if you take a look at the sway bar bushing's gone, the front alignment, I don't know if you can see it in the video, but this one's kind of straight, but this one's not straight at all, so it's pulling major to the right. So we'll look at that too. Probably get all new suspension parts, front and back. And then hopefully there won't be nothing left but to clean it. So we'll see you next time.